Round 2 of Worcs Racing, guys, brought to you by Rocky Mountain ATV MC. We're here in Glen Helen, and behind me is the ATV Pro section. And now it looks smooth, but what these guys are going to have to do is get up this super abrupt, super steep hill after 2 hours of bikes chewing it up, digging up these big rocks that are just underneath the surface where the dozer came through. And yeah, last round, Travis Damon got the win, but it was interesting for that whole hour and a half. I mean, him, Braxton Gross, Bill Barron all changing leading positions, so they're all going to be on each other this round. We'll see who comes out on top.
Potter's over there in the pit. She throws up like number 7. 7th place? No, I'm in 1st. I got the whole shot. Nobody passed me.
Well, it started off with a yard sale. We were heading down the back section. It's between some T-posts and a mountain, and I think Braxton clipped the plastic barrier, and we were in some dust. I think probably just quarter turn fifth gear, kind of just creeping through the dust, and I just seen his skid plate, and before I can react, I was hitting the barrier right behind him, and we were tumbling, and then another rider hit me in the hip with the front bumper, and it was just get up and salvage what I could.
Kind of having a rough time. I woke up last night, my whole body was aching, and today I think I'm just going to try to get through it and get some points. I really felt like loading up and going home, but obviously not going to do that. All of a sudden I didn't hear anything behind me. What happened? You know, like, where's the guys? Did Braxton or somebody go sideways, like into the single track? Anyway, I just kept racing. Next thing I know, I start coming up on guys with blue plates. Potter's over there in the pit, and she throws up like number 7. And I'm like, 7th place? No, I'm in 1st. I got the whole shot. Nobody passed me. I'm gonna find out, like, when Braxton was behind me, he hit a tough block, and then Travis did too, and they both crashed. Well, after talking to Travis, the tough block was like out in the track, and Logan came up on it and went another direction because he thought it was part of the course, and everybody followed him, and so that's how they got dumped out in front of us.
WYATT. So me and Bo went all the way through the track. I think everybody kind of cut it down because the quads were blocking it. And dude, I just put my head down and salvaged as much points as I can. Ended up second place. So it was a good weekend, but I got to rebuild some quad now. It's got some bent up parts and bent up bodies. So recovery and rebuild, and I'll see you guys in round 3.
Quiet down just a minute. Settle down and have another one. Cause you're tired of the game that remains until you're undone. I hit the wall to the limit. I start over like you've just begun. I didn't lie to you because I never knew you. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. It won't be over. It's never over. Now I let my feelings in. It won't be over. It's never over. Now I let myself begin. Loving you. It won't be over. It's never over. Now I let my feelings in. It won't be over.
The race was good. Like I got a good start, and coming into the first lap, I didn't check out the pro section too much, and I was right behind Logan Huff, and we came into it, and it was Braxton and Travis in a pileup, and we rolled up on it, and Braxton's bike was in the middle of the road, Travis's bike was in the middle of the track, and Logan just cut over onto the track, and I just kind of followed him. There's a lot of people saying stuff, Facebook and all that, social media, that must have heard it from some tweaker or something. Like, I mean, there's the only people that know really what happened are the people that were sitting right there, so.
Hold on and let me finish. Back there, I lost myself again. Maybe I tried and died 1,000 times over.